Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. We are trend Grace Mondlana. Lo i-content creator liqhavi kakhulu laphana ku TikTok. Ngemva kokuthi kube khona umuntu laphana ku TikTok lo commenta ku video yakhe lothi you and Lerato Nxumalo should collaborate. Wavele Grace wathi lola no, and bantu abaningi guys abazange bayithathe kancane le nto leyo. Grace Mondlana bantu abaningi bamthanda ngendlela lesimanga. I-content yakhe clean, ushaye clean job ke sana. I've never seen i-content yemuntu lenhle ngendlela lesimanga. I've seen my content creators ethu, but Grace she's on a level. Shame ku-creator kwakhe kwa-content ngathi ukuyela esikolweni ke sana, and people look up to Grace bamthanda ngendlela lesimanga, but they were so disappointed kuva phendula ngale ndlela. So Grace Mondlana guys uhlala yedwana, she's successful, she recently bought a car, utshintshe ne-apartment, itinto ke njena guys dihamba ngelayini. But ngemva kokuthi abantu babone le comments ya Grace yokuthi athi ngeke aze collaborate na Lerato Nxumalo, bala abaningi bavele basho ukuthi ayigele waze wabamini, there was no need, she should have just ignored the comments instead of just saying ukuthi lol no. But ibuta ukuthi why, and some were saying ukuthi vele Grace umini bayambona. Yo guys, some were defending Grace, some were defending uLerato because we know ukuthi kunebantu abathanza lo, phenze kube nebantu labathanza lo. But guys abaningi they were not impressed nge-comments yakhe uGrace, bathi njena kuvele wathula uma ngabe ubonile ukuthi vele ngeke aze akhona collaborate na Lerato Nxumalo, instead of just commenting ukuthi athi lol no kubone wonke umuntu. So people had the following things to say mapa comments. So bantu bacommentile ne lapha ku TikTok yakhe, lapha ku video bantu banemibono le different. So ngithatha ama screenshots alemibono yalabo bantu guys, nginitshele ukuthi lona uthini and lona uthini. Afundzeka ngale ndlela lelandzelako. Uthi user yena Lerato is most definitely the problem here. Uthi story sikhazena, what do you think? Ngizange ngeke ngene phakathi. Uthi likhona official Grace is a mean girl. It's no secret that she's mean. We just love her despite being a mean person. Otherwise Grace is mean. Wayevala ngokuthi athi allegedly ke sana. Uthi Demio, I knew Lerato doesn't like Grace. Uthi Hlatse, Grace even posted a video that talks about people that steal content ideas. I think she thinks Lerato is stealing her content ideas. Guys, angaseke ngiyibone leyo video leyo lekhuluma ngayo lo lasho yona uHlatse. Uthi Khutlo yena, I'm going to unfollow Grace. She's very mean but uthi Sweetwater Grace uphakeme, not necessarily mean. Lerato my love, they can never make me hate you, girl next door vibes. Uthi Demio, I knew Lerato doesn't like Grace. Hi guys, ziyakhala. Some are even saying ukuthi they are going to unfriend, to unfollow rather Grace. Uthi Jules and Grace is mean. You can even check her recent video of the butterfly dancing for her facial expression. Nope, she's mean. Uthi Maya, you guys must just say you don't like Grace and unfollow her. Honestly, how is she being mean? Umaya ke umelana na Grace kokuthi umini njani wangavele nim-unfollow mani ngamthanda uthi andile khumale kanti what is Lerato doing to these influencers? I'm starting to think she's the actual problem. So this is basically saying ukuthi wonke umuntu ngazuthi awunenkinga na Lerato. Uthi Khodami, Grace is the problem here, please not with my Lerato. Uthi Khodami, Grace nguyelo nenkinga, cala nimeke phasi nje Lerato wakhe. Uthi Grace, uthi Kitty, Grace Mondlana is definitely a mean girl. She could have just ignored that comment instead of being shady. Diyakhala ke guys, please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.